If you are thinking about becoming a homeowner in 2025, I'm here to tell you why. Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. Now is the best time to make it happen. Today, we will explore the financial benefits, tax savings, and how home ownership can set you up for a long-term wealth. Let's talk about timing. The 2025 housing markets offer comparative interest rates around 7% along with affordable financing options and low down payments. By acting now, you can take advantage opportunities like FHA loans or conventional loans with as little as 3% down. Waiting could mean higher prices and missed opportunities. I have nieces and nephews, and I have always encouraged them to become homeowners as soon as they can save for a down payment and have an emergency fund in place. I personally prefer home ownership over renting because housing is a basic necessity. Everyone needs a place to live. While some investors may view a home as a liability, I see it as an asset when the mortgage payment is within an affordable budget. By the end of this video, you will understand why this can be the case. One huge perk of home ownership is tax savings. Did you know you can deduct the mortgage interest you pay along with the property tax and homeowner insurance from your taxable income? Talk to your CPA. This can save you thousands each year, reducing the true cost of owning a home. And let's not overlook the property appreciations. On average, home values increase by 2 to 3% annually, keeping pace with the inflation. For instance, the $300,000 home could gain $6,000 to $9,000 in value each year. Over time, this consistent growth can substantially increase your wealth. Now imagine holding on to this home for 30 years. It could add an incredible $300,000 or more to your net worth. Here is another reason to act now. The difference in net worth, according to CNN data, the median homeowner has a net worth of $400,000 compared to just $10,000 for the median renter in America. That is 40 times difference. The combination of building equity, saving on taxes, and property appreciation create long-term financial security. Let's make this practical. Imagine you buy a $300,000 home with a 3% down payment. That's $9,000 upfront cost. With a 6.5% interest rate, your monthly mortgage payment, include taxes and insurance, is around $2,000. You can house hack to lower your monthly mortgage payments. You can rent out one room for $800 per month, and your out-of-pocket cost drops to $1,200. That's less than most people pay for rent while you are building equity and enjoying tax savings. Looking for privacy and a way to maximize your savings? You can buy duplex, triplex, or fourplex. For example, if you purchase a $400,000 duplex with an FHA loan, you will need just $14,000 down. Your monthly mortgage may be $2,800, but if the rental unit brings in $1,500, you are only paying $1,300 out of your pocket. Plus, you are gaining equity and tax benefits, not your renters. To keep home ownership manageable, I highly suggest follow the 30% rules. Your housing costs should not exceed 30% of your monthly gross income. For example, if you earn $1,500 a month, aiming a mortgage payment of $1,500 or less. This keeps your budget balanced and your financial goals on track. Making home ownership is fun, not stress out, right? Home ownership isn't just about owning a property. It's about building wealth. I'm serious. Saving on taxes and securing your financial future. Whether you rent out a room, buy a duplex, or keep your mortgage affordable, there are a smart way